Welcome back, guys. Got something special for you today. Nothing too crazy. Again, we're trying to stick to those watches 5,000 and under, which we think are great choices. So today we're featuring the Tudor Pelagos in titanium with the bright blue sort of ceramic dial. It's a beautiful piece. I mean, you really can't go wrong. I love blue titanium. I'm wearing myself Omega SEAMASTER, which is also titanium with blue. I think it's a great combo coordination. And this is the newer style model, so new movement, brand new, full set, box papers. Of course, it's available today at Watchfinder. This watch also comes in a left-hand drive. I don't have one to show you today, but if you really want to see what it looks like, that's what it looks like. You got the crown on the other side, but unfortunately I don't have one. Maybe I'll show you in the next episode later down the road. With this type of price point, I think you're getting a lot from this watch. Like I said, I mean, Tudor's got great mechanism, great material. It is made by Rolex, so that's already like a high standard. You've got Rolex parts, Rolex people working on this type of stuff. So comparatively, for a diver, it's right in that 5K range, I think, which is perfect, especially if you're gonna use this as an actual tool watch. Now, a lot of people don't use these watches as tool watches. They use it just for fashion and just kind of show everybody that they made it like a statement piece. So, you know, you could get the sea dwellers or you get an AP diver, but you're gonna be extending 20, 30, 40,000 even, right? But I think for 5K, if you look for a diver, something you'll actually use, something that's light on the wrist, that also very stylish, this is definitely a great watch for you. When it comes to wrist presence too, it's not super loud because of the titanium matte finish, but that blue is pretty bright. I think I would give this probably about an 8 out of 10 for wrist presence. Overall watch rating though, I'd give it 1 point higher. I'll score it 9 out of 10. What's really unique about this piece too is it has a bit of an extension at the back of the clasp, and this is something that you can actually do on the go by yourself. You don't need a watch tech or anyone to do it for you. It's very simple as just pulling down slightly and adjusting to your current size, which I think is very great because we get a lot of people requesting when they come in, you know, over the summer, over the winter, they might have lost weight, they might have gained weight. Everybody's looking to kind of get their watch sized. I think it's really great that they did the easy glide lock on this. Again, similar to the Rolex SUBMARINER, which has a glide lock clasp that you can adjust at any time yourself. So I think that's definitely a unique feature that they added with this sort of diving watch. So even though this Tudor has kind of a thicker profile, it's a little bit bulkier, it definitely sits on the wrist great, and it's very, very light because of the titanium, which I think kind of offsets that bulkiness. A lot of people are expecting these watches to be so heavy, top heavy, they might bang it up, this and that, but with this piece, it's honestly, I've worn it a few times. It's super light, you barely feel it on the wrist. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Feel free to leave any comments, even if they're the bad ones, we see them. Definitely just wanna also thank everyone for the great support. We're getting tons of calls, tons of DMs, a million texts. Again, thank you so much. We got tons more for this channel to come, and we appreciate you subscribing. Thanks, guys.